Alright, so today we're gonna install this smart switch. Let's see what we have here. So this item arrived 2 days ago, but I didn't have a chance to install it yet. I didn't have the right tools yet. So we have here, alright, so the switch and some screws also. Alright, it's gonna be a waste. Just keep it there. So we have some instructions here written in Chinese. So this came actually from Hong Kong. So we're gonna have to install this. This is a capacitor that we also have to install with the lights as per given instructions. So it's a kind of noisy as well here. So mauni siya capacitor. Let's get. We have here some instructions here, so we're gonna look into this. Right, so we're gonna replace that switch there with this switch. All right, so let's see. We've removed the original convenience for the switch. So what we have here, this is the original. So now we have installed the wire as well of the original switch. So we're gonna test this out now. So it's just a test. We're gonna test it, and if we're gonna have some good output here, we're gonna have to deploy it properly. So we are installing this capacitor here. You see, that is the yellow capacitor. We're installing into the knife mount. So assembling it here. Wow. All right. So we have installed also this one right here. Right. I hope this is not destroyed yet. Just do some fine tuning here. I'm holding my phone and then taking a video of this. Right, the next thing is to install this one. Cover now. There you are. And we're gonna turn on the breaker for that. Alright, it's a bit of a mess, but I'm gonna check that out. Turn the breaker on. You want to see some lights? Alright, I see the blue light. So we're gonna check this out. It's gonna turn the light on. So I turned off the light here inside the house. And actually the lights we're gonna turn on are from our garage, so let's check this out. There, you see that? It's turning on. And we have a red light here. We're gonna turn this off, and it's also off. That's using the manual button. also the light here. That's the other side. Oh, okay, it's turning on also. And then this light here. And we're gonna turn this on. The light here. So kind of. There you are. And that's it. So we have to turn on the lights. So we have installed the switch, the wirings here, and also the capacitor there. We also installed the mobile app. So every time you switch this, also this will turn into the color, I think red. There you go. Switch 1, switch 2, then switch 3. So all of the lights are now turned on. Turn off, turn off, turn off. Right, so that's it. So you can check also the light there outside. It's indeed turned on and off, but you don't know it's gonna turn on and off. Alright, we have installed the light here, the convenience outlet, I mean, and then we have also installed the mobile app, the Smart Life mobile app, and now we're gonna test this if this convenience outlet will also work using the Alexa device. So I turned off the light inside this house, and so now I'm gonna test Alexa if it's going to work with Alexa. So I tried to synchronize it with Alexa app. Alright, Alexa, turn on light garage.
Okay.
There you are. And now Alexa, turn off light garage.
Okay.
Right. Again, another try. Alexa, turn on light garage.
Okay.
And then finally, Alexa, turn off light garage. Alexa, turn off light garage. And that's it.
Okay.
So it's gonna. Thank you, Alexa. Alexa, thank you.
Anytime.
And that's it. That's the end. We have put in place a smart switch, and this is where my video ends. And thank you for watching. And I will be happy to share how to set up this smart switch. Bye for now.